Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we're talking about hair. More specifically, some hair things I've been loving recently. When I went to think about what I was gonna film today, I was like, oh, I'll do something, about hair stuff, hair care. And then I figured, well, maybe I should do my hair, and since I'm bringing attention to it and all. I get a lot of questions about my hair and the color and how I keep it so bright and yada yada. I've actually done a video about how I specifically keep it like this, and I'll list it in the box below if you want to check it out. Now, this is probably my favorite way to have my hair. It's kind of sleek, it's a little full. I don't have a very thick hair, so this for me is like volume. I love color-wise when the ends are light, like way lighter than my roots. Like you can see, it's like night and day. One of my main things also is dry shampoo. On the days that I don't wash my hair, it's always dry shampoo. And my favorite, and it's actually been my favorite for a while, is the Hask Charcoal Purifying Dry Shampoo. I got this from Ulta. It's really nice, it absorbs all the oil really well. My only issue is the smell. I've never found a dry shampoo that smells good. This just smells like perfumey. It goes away in a few minutes, but I mean, I can take it because it's such a good dry shampoo, and it's very affordable. The next is shampoo, and I actually got this again from Ulta when there was like the mega hair sale going on. I think this was like 13 bucks, which is awesome for the size. I'm a professional hairstylist, and that's a pretty good price even for me. This is the Clean Maniac Hair Cleansing Cream by Redken, and it's a clarifying shampoo for all hair types. I use this, when you start to feel like your hair's feeling heavy even after you washed it, that's usually when I use this. So I use this like once or twice a month maybe, just to kind of really get in there and deep clean. And what I actually do, wet my hair, I put this in it, I suds it up, and then I put a plastic cap on and leave it for about 5-10 minutes to really get in there and emulsify and get the any of the deep grit that's just stuck in my hair. And this does a beautiful job of doing that. I actually did it today, and it helped again in lightening my ends just where I like them. When I'm not using that shampoo, I'm using the Kenra Volumizing shampoo, at least recently. This is for body and fullness. Like I said, my hair's, it's not super thin, but it's definitely not thick. It's like that, I guess, medium-ish thickness. It's really nice. It does a nice job of kind of lifting everything up. Oh, and it smells really good. It kind of smells like some kind of mixed drink. What the hell is it? No, maybe not a mixed drink. Just some kind of like fruit drink, but it's nice and light. It's not the kind that's gonna be so sweet it's gonna give you a headache. All right, and the next is a leave-in conditioner, and this is the Sebastian Potion No. 9. This was probably one of my favorite products to use on clients when I worked in a salon. It's a really nice light leave-in, and again, since my hair is kind of on the thinner side, this is nice for not weighing it down. I don't use a regular conditioner in the shower. That weighs my hair down. It just gets stuck in my hair follicles. Even if I rinse it really well, it just ends up feeling, it feels really nice the first, maybe the second day, but the third and fourth day, like heavy, gross city. I just hate it. So I tend to really stay away from conditioners unless I'm having like a major dry hair issue. This is also a great leave-in conditioner that I use, or a mask that I use in those occasions where my hair is just like out of control. This is the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. You can actually use this as a mask, or you can leave it in as a leave-in conditioner. I normally, if I'm not using this one, I'll use this as a leave-in conditioner. I don't really use it as a mask that often, but if I do ever want to kind of deep condition my hair, I use this. It's kind of expensive, but Olaplex is kick-ass. I never put any products like at the root of my hair because that's just begging for trouble. Oily trouble. The next is the Bumble & Bumble Classic Hairspray. This has been like my favorite hairspray probably since I've become a hairstylist. I got my first bottle like at very expensive professional beauty store. Like I got it there first and I kept buying it ever since. I actually found this one at Marshall's. Bumble & Bumble's very expensive, but I actually got this for like $8.99. So, score. I really like this when I curl my hair, or if I flat iron it, I'll just spray a little bit on the ends, flat iron, curl, whatever, and this just does a really nice job. It's not crunchy, it's not heavy, it's the perfect hairspray. All right, and my last favorite product is by Cebu, and Cebu is a brand out of Bubble Salon. There's not too many around. I used to live and work in Virginia, and I worked there at the time, so that's where I picked this up. This is the Sticky Rice Pomade. It's kind of like a dry pomade. It's not waxy, it's not greasy, it's just very dry. Like if I rub my fingers together now, like it's almost gone, which is why I like it. I don't like any kind of heavy pomade for my hair because it's just gonna weigh it down and make it gross. So what I do is I put a tiny bit between my fingers, finger comb it through my hair, and it just kind of gives the ends a little bit of like a pieciness. But again, it doesn't feel like I have tons of stuff in my hair. So that's why I like it. that was it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So those are my favorite hair products that I've been using lately. If you have any questions, if you want to see more kind of hair-based stuff, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment below if you want to say something, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.